Since the NucDeck is finally complete, I've been able to actually take it with me to play in my spare time. I'm constantly worried about it getting damaged though, so I've been on the hunt for a case or a bag to put it in. One of the reasons I tend to stick closely to the size of commercially available handhelds is so I can make use of some of their accessories, so when tomtoc reached out and asked me to review their Arccos-G47 Travel Bag, I jumped at the opportunity. This bag is designed for carrying most larger handheld gaming devices such as the Steamdeck, Legion Go, the Ally, and hopefully in our case, the NucDeck. The bag has three main sections: an outside front pocket, an inside front pocket, and the main pocket. The two front pockets run the full length of the bag, but they don't have a lot of depth to them. They are perfect for storing cables and some smaller accessories though, without letting them get mixed up with what's in the main pocket of the bag. Right across the back side of the bag there is some soft foam padding for protecting the grip sections of your handheld, as well as a thick padded section in the middle to support behind the display. This may get in the way of the NucDeck since we have a bit of a bump there where other consoles don't, but this foam is pretty soft so it may not be a big deal. There is also a removable hard plastic divider that attaches to the inside of the bag with Velcro. It's coated with some kind of soft fabric so it shouldn't scratch the screen, and the shape will provide plenty of room around the joysticks to prevent anything from bumping them and causing damage. There is also a Velcro strap that extends from the back of the bag and sticks to the divider to help ensure everything stays firmly in place. In front of the divider there is still a fair bit of room in the main pocket, more than enough for even a large power brick like this 100 watt USB PD charger I've been using for the NucDeck. Speaking of the NucDeck, let's see if it actually fits. Yep, looks like this will work nicely. The foam bump could do with being a tad smaller for our purposes, but it's soft enough that it fits in anyway without any real issues. The outside of the bag is very low key, with just a couple of small red stitched accents which finish it off nicely. There's no big logos or anything to give away what might be stored inside. The whole bag is lined on the inside with a nylon type material, which should provide at least a bit of protection from water ingress if you happen to get stuck in the rain with it, and the zips are quite heavy duty. The zipper pulls also feel particularly well made, so I think they should last a long time. There's a nicely padded adjustable shoulder strap included, which can be attached to a couple of different places on the bag. It can be adjusted in length anywhere from about Esche bum bag right down to a comfortable waist height. As soon as the bag turned up, I put it to use immediately so that I can give you guys an honest impression of how it is to live with. My use case most often involves just moving between my home office and my workplace via a car, so I won't keep the strap attached to mine unless I plan on a longer journey. Since the NucDeck has more than enough battery life to get through the limited amount of spare time I have to play during my lunch break, I don't bother packing a charger. This leaves plenty of room in the main pocket for my Bluetooth headphones and my portable hard drive, which I sometimes need for work. I used this bag every day for the whole week whilst I wrote, filmed and edited this video, so I could at least get a bit of a feel for it and give you guys some genuine feedback on it. And so far, it's been great. My only complaint would be that due to the position of the handle, the bag doesn't balance perfectly when it's being carried without using the strap. I'm being really picky here to even find anything I didn't like, and I can see why they've done it this way, as the handle is connected into the rear seams, which are the strongest section of this bag. With the shoulder strap on, this is a complete non-issue as the bag just rests upright against your body. I don't have access to a Steamdeck or anything to test to see if it's a problem that is only relevant to the NucDeck. It is a tad heavier than some of the professional offerings, which definitely won't be helping matters. Overall, I think this bag is a great option if you need to transport your portable gaming devices anywhere, especially for anyone that has to commute via public transport, in which case the shoulder strap would be an absolute essential. Thanks for watching guys, I'm hoping to have an update on the ZenDeck progress by the end of next week. See you then.